Yo, today I've got something exciting. All right, we've got the latest Xbox Elite controller. This is a hefty box. Look how big. So to kick off the video, let's get started with an unboxing. Yo. So when you're unboxing it, of course you get the big top, half of it. So it reveals the protection / carrying case for the controller. It's very rough of an exterior, but it's a smooth roughness. One of the unique features about this versus the Series 1, you can actually charge the carrying case. Let's see what we got here. We got what looks like the cords. I'm gonna assume is probably like manuals and whatnot. Oh, yes it is. That's exactly what this is. Back to the cord. The cable that you get for this to charge it is just, it seems reminiscent of the Series 1, except for the big difference is USB Type-C. Open this up right now. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. It's more of like a blackened silver, if anything. So I've gotten the Series 1 as well. This is the Series 1. Series 2. Immediately you can see that there's like a silver on top of the Series 1 and it's more blackened on the Series 2, and it's not as deep as this grove is right here. So holding the Series 1, it's nice, it's got the texture right here, but the top of it just feels very smooth. It almost is kind of slippery. Whereas the Series 2, no matter where you put your hand, you have a nice grip on it. This feels a lot heavier than this. It feels like it cut back on some weight. Welcome to my little island of Xbox. We're gonna do something exciting and see if we can connect the Series 2 to the Xbox One X. So I'm actually going to hold the sync button on the Xbox and on the controller. Most of the time, if it's not pairing, you should actually update it. Oh, I forgot about that. When you first log in with your Elite Wireless Controller 2, you will be greeted to a special greeting. Yeah. Make sure you eat your vegetables, kids.